Hello guys, how are you? I'm Gulzar and today I'm gonna tell you about JBL 290 headset in ear. Uh, I just bought this headset from AliExpress and I think it's not original JBL, or maybe the JBL is making this kind of shit because it was written on the wrapper. It's a pure bass, but it's not a pure bass. The sound quality is like average, but the bass is not so good. Even if you can see here, it is written with right and the left on the left speaker. But I can show you that this is not even right and left. They have written is totally wrong. Yes, the left speaker is right and the right one is left. I just tested it. If you can see this website online, this test actually left and the right channel. Okay, I want to show you that. If you can see, if I click on the right channel, okay, so you can see this one is left. So if I press the right channel, so if it says right channel, but it is in the left side. If you can hear,
right channel.
it says right channel in the left speaker. Speakers are not properly adjusted.
Left channel.
See, it's a right channel, it's not a left channel, if you can see. But when I click the left channel, it shows me that it's a left speaker.
Left channel.
It says left channel.
Left channel.
If I click here,
Left channel.
I don't know what's wrong with it. The quality is very poor. I spent $21, but I can't see that even if it's an original JBL or maybe the fake.